Hey guys, in this one we're talking about how to customize your Facebook dating profile settings for privacy. So it automatically keeps your dating profile separate from your main Facebook profile. Your current Facebook friends will never see your dating profile by default, and your dating activity is never posted to your main feed. Right, so you just navigate to your settings. In order to customize them, you will have to you can just search like this, Facebook dating settings, and you'll be taken to your Facebook settings here. Then you navigate to privacy, and then within dating section in Facebook, you just look for suggest friends or of friends and toggle it off. And this guarantees that your friends' family, co-workers, or acquaintances won't run into your profile while sweeping. Also guys, in the same privacy settings menu, tap block people in dating. Anyone you've already blocked on main Facebook is automatically blocked here, but you can manually add specific contacts as well to make sure they never cross paths with your profile. That is it guys, enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe.